Welcome children to your standard 6 physics class, and today we will discuss about the importance of physics. Importance, that means benefits of physics. What are the benefits or importance of physics? In various phenomena based on the principles laws of physics can be easily seen in nature, in industries and in laboratories. And the basic principle of physics have laid the foundation of modern technology. And by the help of physics we get so many benefits. And now we'll discuss about what are the applications and what are the benefits of physics. First one, some applications of physics are described below. And first one is transport, second one is communication, third one is living standard, and fourth one is scientific instruments, and next renewable energy sources and healthcare, and last one is space research and artificial satellites. And first we will discuss about the transport. Now, in earlier people, they used to move from one place to another on foot or by bullock cart, and those type of journeys used to time taking process, and it used to take days to weeks. So the principles of machines have helped in developing the most faster modes of transport, such as cycle, scooter, car, railways, ships and aeroplanes. And these helps to us in very various ways. And modern aeroplanes can fly at the speed of sound, and it moves faster than the sound, about 1225 kilometer per hour. And next we'll discuss about the communication. And communications, in this way, in earlier times people used to carry message from one place to another, and the message carried this way used to take days or even weeks to reach. So for science, for physics, we can talk with any person residing anywhere in the world with the help of radio, television, telephone, satellite, fax, internet, and email are the most efficient ways of communication. And these facilities have brought the world much closer. And third one is living standard. The household appliances based on the principle of conversion of energy and the principles of mechanics. That means it have improved our living standards, and this type of facilities will get more comfortable to us. For example, washing machines has made washing of clothes easy, and refrigerator can be used to store milk, milk products, vegetables, fruits, etc. And third one is scientific instruments. And scientific instruments are helps us in various ways in hospitals and other purposes. And various optical instruments like telescope, microscopes, lenses for correcting the defects in vision, etc., and are the best on the principles of optics. And next one is renewable energy source. Renewable, that means we use again and again. And in recent past, science has helped us to develop energy sources such as hydrocarbon, electricity, atomic energy, etc. And Our coal and petroleum reserves will not last for long. Therefore, scientists has now started developing alternating sources of energy, and for this, renewable sources like solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy are being used to generate electricity. And also, solar cooker can be used to cook food, and solar heater can give you hot water, and solar cell panel can generate electricity by using sunlight, and all these have become possible through the knowledge of mainly physics. And you can see the solar cell panel and the solar heater, and you see solar cooker and tidal energy and wind energy and the solar energy. And next, healthcare. Nowadays, healthcare is not limited to few tablets of a medicine. Proper diagnosis of the disease or disorder inside the body is essential for treatment. So there are so many types of inventions are available now, and very sophisticated machines such as MRI, CAT scan, ultrasound, X-rays are available in our hospitals, and all these machines are based on the properties of electromagnetic radiation. And last one is space research and artificial satellites, and this type of artificial satellites is primarily based on the universal law of gravitation, and artificial satellites are used for communication, forecasting weather, and remote sensing, and these satellites consist of computers to control them, and artificial satellites also now being used to monitor cyclones and typhoons.